but be part of something, give back to the community, that kind of thing. So now the reason why I'm bringing that up is because right now I've watched the cupcake business, and the cupcake business, who's their target audience?
Animals.
People who eat.
People who eat.
I think women.
Yeah, probably.
What I read is grandmothers, the baby boomer grandmothers, who are providing parties and for their grandchildren and having people with women with disposable income who are all fancy dancy. So I want to, because when I set out to go, well, how do I connect with empty nester women, baby boomers in Johnson County? How am I going to find them, right? Without going through magazines and traditional marketing, right? How do I find them? And so this just, like, I don't know why this came to me, but it's like, well, you got to find them through what they're buying. Where did they fall out?
Well, they could be showing off. They could be sharing their opinion about compassion or some kind of thing. It could be love.
Yeah. Yeah. So you really just want to, like, okay, where do I want to, again, what is my message? We're talking pain or joy, or more specifically, do I want to reach out to a certain group that we know exists on Facebook? We know these type of people, so can I tap into what we already know is going on?
So Franny, what's your number one?
What's mine, you know?
The one you do the most.
Only 3, because that's just my life. That's who I am. I'm number 3. 7 is making money. How do you make money on this? And so there's people, that's all that they're just trying to do this. Psychographics is their personality. This stuff I just put up here. Are they extroverted? Are they introverted? Are they political? Not political? So they're psychographics. Their attitudes. Their values. Interests and hobbies. Their lifestyle. Okay, so these are, what I'm trying to get you to do is narrow your target audience based on these criteria. The more narrow it is, the more powerful your message is going to be to them.
I'm Janae Relaford Davis with Camp Choice.
Okay, and today you attended
a social media workshop by Franny Knight.
And how was it? What did you learn today?
It was awesome. Franny wanted to share so much information. We didn't even have enough time to pack it all in, but I learned a lot about how to increase my followers on Facebook and Twitter, and, you know, more stuff about getting into YouTube and all these other social media sites that are really important to growing your business.
And so what do you need the most right now for, and tell us a little bit about your project so people know what you're working on.
Well, my project is Camp Choice. Choice stands for Children Having Opportunities in Creating an Environment, meaning the choices we make create the environment we find ourselves in. And I'm wanting my messages about Camp Choice to go viral.
Oh, okay. So you're looking for other people that resonate with your mission statement, and what exactly is your mission for this Camp Choice?
To give young people the knowledge and skills to make conscious choices that's going to benefit their present and their future social and physical and spiritual well-being.
So you look at the whole child instead of just looking at something narrow like test scores. So you're cultivating.
Absolutely.
Is that right? If someone was interested in what you said, where should they go?
Please check out my website, www.campchoicekc.com.
Cool. Thank you very much.